Bosch electric tankless water heater. If you are searching for an under-the-sink tankless water heater, you may want to consider the Bosch Tronic 3000. This point-of-use water heating solution comes in 4 compact sizes, and you can easily wall mount it under your sink, cabinet space, etc. In case you wish to install it in a visible space, the design is sleek and attractive enough to go with any decor. Bosch Tronic 3000 is a durable device that comes with a guarantee of a long lifespan. The best part is that you can use it for residential as well as commercial purposes without breaking a sweat. You can easily install this tankless water heater in a patio kitchen station, basement wet bar, garage, attic, and even in a boat or RV. This water heater operates at 12 kilowatts and provides a quick and continuous hot water supply. The experts rate Bosch Tronic 3000's efficiency to be at 98%. In case you are wondering about the water pressure range, it is between 10 to 150 psi. However, the temperature control is very user-friendly, and the thermostatic control allows you to set the water temperature as per your preference. The user-friendly interface allows you ease of use, as you do not have to fiddle around with those wobbly pressure relief valves anymore. The installation is straightforward, and you can put this water heating solution to the test in any setting. In case you are looking for a hot water supply in your office's bathrooms, this is a perfect solution. Plus, you will not require any extensive plumbing work to get a hot water supply. Pros: reliable and saves space. Cost-effective when it comes to energy bills. 5-year warranty on heating elements and a 1-year warranty on components. Cons: only designed to work up 240 volts. May take some time to fill your bathtubs. Sensitive buttons that you may have to replace at some point.